Unreal Engine? The performance is bad. Unity? Stop pretending you have a million friends. Godot? Approved. It is open source. But have you tried to use JavaScript? There is nothing we can do to have a nice engine, except doing it ourselves. That's a journey of only smart people that wear glasses. Or at least, that's what the government has made you think. That's the engine conspiracy gate. Did you miss it? It is there, with all the other polemics of Kanye West. Look, I'll show you the truth. And the engine is not that complex. You need something to show images, and that's it. There are various examples of games with no engine.
For example, Minecraft.
I started to build my own game engine, because of the journey, and to learn how engines work inside out. At the start of the construction, you need to choose an architectural pattern. All of them have advantages and disadvantages. I've chosen data-oriented. What does it mean? Instead of storing things like player object, or enemy object, or your mom object, you store raw data in big arrays. Position here, velocities there, transforms somewhere else. No drama, just data. Why? Because CPUs are stupid, but very fast when you don't confuse them. If your data is packed nicely, the CPU goes brr brr patapim through memory without stopping. If it's messy, it starts crying, missing cache, and your frame rate goes to Italy on vacation and never comes back. So yes, it is cache friendly, so more fishes are saved each year. It is easier to parallelize, so there are no empty towns in Italy anymore, and it uses less memory, so my 4GB laptop can survive one more year. How do you start? I use Chrono Vulkan tutorial. It gives you a nice layout for a component-based engine. It was useful to know what features are needed to start making a game with the new super hyper mega best video game engine in the history. Rage is already scared, and Rockstar started to send me money to stop the development. Everything started with a triangle. That's how God created the world as we know it. The difference between God and us is that God did not have any nice GPU API, and we're good people. He had to use raw GPU assembly as the DeepSeek guy. As far as I know, I am not Asian, so I need a nicer API to work with.